play with us! Watch this!
Hey, what are you doing?
What have you done?
Jean, don't look so upset. The glazier will earn 6 francs now. Someone profits from every accident.
Jean, come in. Your boots are ready.
Not today. I had an expense.
Another day, then.